How you doing, guys? Tony here. We have a Renault. It's a 1.4 1400 cc motor. This engine has been modified correctly. It has a heavy duty cam, higher ratios. It has the valve train on the top is heavy duty, bigger lifters and stronger push rods and valve train. As you can see, it's modified correctly. This motor is made to fit the Caravel R10s and R8. Right now we have installed an R8 Gordini just for test purposes, but as you can see, the vehicle has everything fits. You don't have to modify anything. You just put it right on, bolt it on, and go. And we're gonna go ahead and start it for you. You can see it has a cam to it, low, but running pretty good. No smoke, no nothing. Really good motor. We can build or supply motors like this to you, stock or modify like this 1.4s for R8 Gordinis. Also we can modify for 1.1s, we can modify 1.3s. We do various motors for the R10, R8, R Gordinis, also for CVs. You can reach us at renaultsource@yahoo.com for any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.